Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mel and I'm a part-time illustrator. I used to be a special education teacher. I just kind of share my journey as a part-time illustrator, markets, what I'm learning in terms of marketing, content creation, and things of that sort to promote my business. As you saw from the title, this vlog is preparing for a Bad Bunny themed market. Today is Monday and the market is on Saturday, and a ton of new products, but I am making 3 stickers. I'm gonna do my best to take you through the market with me and just show you the day of the market. Let's get to work. Thank you for being here. See you soon. Okay, so these are the new 3 sticker designs. You saw this one in the intro. That's a song lyric from his song Ale. This is gonna be a glitter sticker, but I'm also gonna turn it into a little like birthday card for like my 30-year-olds. This one is another reference to another song lyric. Tú no eres bebecita, pero eres bebesota. This is very much like similar, if not exact same, to my Calladita sticker. Let me show you. Okay. Oof, this fell. All right. I have this sticker on my in my shop. It's this one. Here, let me see if you can see it. Okay. It's a glitter sticker. It's supposed to be like the little candy hearts, and the top one says Calladita, but it's crossed out, and the bottom one says Bonita, like you're not Calladita, but you are Bonita. And if you don't know, in Spanish, there is a very infamous, I think, saying that is said to young women growing up, and it's Calladita te ves más bonita, but that translates to the quieter you are, the prettier you look. And I've always held a lot of disdain for that phrasing, so that's one of my stickers. Yeah, this is kind of a version of that. It's probably going to be just different candy heart colors. Is it a cop-out? Maybe. But I think it's really cute and I'm excited to see how it does. I'm gonna switch up the colors palette a little bit, but we'll see. This is probably gonna be my favorite one. It's you know, you can tell it's Bad Bunny, hopefully. So I just thought it'd be cute in a little picture frame. This one is done. I need to print samples so that I can take really quick product pictures and send it into the group chat so that, you know, they can promo me at the market. But first, I gotta, which one should we work on next? Let's do this one next. Don't forget to do your canvas, 300 DPI. Oh, that's right. Okay, that's inconvenient. Okay. Hi. Okay, I just got home from work. I got home a little bit early today because some of my sessions canceled at the last minute. That was the printer. It wasn't supposed to print that quickly, so there's something wrong. Wait. This one is going to be a glitter sticker, you know. Ya cumplió los 30. I love this one. Have... Tú no eres bebecita, pero es bebesota. So... Hey, that's mine! That's mine! Okay, I think the colors turned out pretty good. This one I had to play with the contrast a little because it was blowing, like coming out super saturated and you weren't really seeing the difference in any of my strokes. These came out, I think, really good. Okay. Okay. Oh, no! Good scraper, where are you? Looks good. Look, it looks good. Okay, we need the glitter one now. This one came out really cute too. I don't know if you can, if it's focusing, but no eres bebecita, pero eres bebesota. It's always the thing that you weren't like, you didn't think of first or were the most excited about that is like your favorite. Like this little cake is, I love it. Oh my God. No, let it do its thing. Let it do its thing. Please, chupe. You can supervise, you just can't touch. Okay, let's see if it, I think, cut out good. Oh, it did. Okay, we got a straggler. Barely. Oh, love this. Oh, cute. 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 It is Friday and the market is tomorrow. I printed the samples for my new stickers and I printed a couple more, but I'm gonna spend the afternoon printing a few more. And I also am looking at my decor situation. This is a themed market. I'm trying to just kind of ball on a budget and make the decorations myself because they're so specific. It's a Bad Bunny market. So my idea was to cut out some stars from gold construction paper and put Bad Bunny's face right in the middle. Cute, right? Well, I don't have gold construction paper, so I'm gonna go through my box and see what I do have. If I could choose one thing to have, aside from like pricing and like multiple viewpoints of pricing so customers like feel like they know the price, I think one of the pieces of decor that I would definitely have is honestly something to give you different levels, because I think that's when I started seeing a little bit of a pickup in my tent traffic, is when I started playing with the levels of my setup. And when I had everything kind of at one level on the table, like people still come, they like bend down and to look, but then when I started varying it with like having something at eye level, having something on a shelf with multiple levels, and you'll see it tomorrow. It's nothing like super innovative. It's something that a lot of other artists use. It's the cube racks that you can get at like the store, if you already have them lying around, where you can put them together to sort of make a little wall. And I use it to kind of have a little gallery wall of my art prints. And I noticed that once I started using that, my art print sales kind of picked up a little bit. So I'm gonna try to make the garland tonight. I also played around with the idea of like putting some like meme style like pictures of Bad Bunny and frames around some of my products, like something like this one, and then like put it in a frame and caption somewhere on it like, oye mami, ¿tú quieres otro sticker? My Bad Bunny impression is not great, but like something like "Eres bebesota." Algo así. I mean, something like that, you know, something silly to make people laugh, because I feel like once they laugh, they connect with the product. I don't know. We'll see how it turns out. You have to. As you can probably tell, I hated everything I had, so I don't want to buy anything, and I don't want to leave my house. There's too much of a slippery slope to just go get a little matcha because I'm running an errand. So I'm just gonna take a bunch of my scrap paper and I'm gonna print my own stars. It's gonna take a little bit of ink, but I'm on my last leg of ink already and I have like more, so. Bubby, do you like these? It's Bad Bunny. You know him. Okay, I finished printing these. It's gonna be hopefully a little garland that I'm just gonna put across the front of my tent. Little Bad Bunnies everywhere.
Promoción en el agua. 50 son 100, 100 son 200 y 300, 500. Gracias. Gracias. Tiene un más chico. Tiene llave. Ahorita le abro. Tiene llave. Ahorita le abro. Ahorita le abro.
One of the guys was like, everybody kept asking them, who's Bad Bunny? Like Easter market? Oh, no. It's like, no, it's Spanish.
50 son 100, 100 son 200 y 300 y 300, 500. Gracias. Tiene uno más chico. Tiene llave. Ahorita le abro. Tiene llave. Ahorita le abro. el agua. 50 son 100, 100 son 200 y 300, 500, 500. Gracias, no tiene uno más chico. Tiene llave, ahorita le abro. Ya, 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 ya.
Thank you. They're like bag charms or keychains.
Yeah, I like put so much stuff.
Me too. Which is why I started making them, you know. Gotta be frugal, but then still have a new hobby.
Right.